Hey guys, so today we're here at Humber. We've got Dave on the main screen and Chris in the top right. So this is defending the firebase. This is just one of the game modes that we played. So we do get some good kills. It's a great site if you haven't checked out Humber before. Some great players in the day. Marshals are on point, really good, highly recommend it. So yeah, I'm just going to let the recording show its thing.
I'll take that. They're picking them off from here.
Are they over the hill? How far back are they?
I'm right on the door, right on the door. Here.
Yeah?
On the outside. Hang on. Hang on. Pyro. We'll pyro it. Round the door. Grenade! Good throw, Dave. Cheers.
I think with those pyros we did manage to take out 4 or 5 of them. They do have a medic box, so they can just respawn right on the entrance. They had to get the medic box from their starting points, and pretty much when they get shot, the medic box is dropped. As long as they had the red flag out of the medic box, then they can respawn on the medic box. So now just change it over to Chris's screen. He's going to be laying down fire on the entrance, pretty much keeping that door covered. There is 360 degrees of where people can come in, so we've got Dave on the left hand side, Chris on the front, Matty's just there on Chris's left. And then we've got Ollie. There we go, Ollie and Matt's cam up and running now, so Ollie's giving me cover from the right hand side. Matt managed to get a couple of kills. Chris just gets pinged in the head there.
Medics or respawns only!
Guys, on the shoulder medics.
There we go, so Chris has been revived. I think he does manage to get this person. But confirmed, no. Pinged again on the head.
Come on!
Just going medic him, go and cover.
You good, Ollie? Yep. Right, cover fire, cover up.
That's me in front of Chris there. Ollie's covering him, just going to lay a pyro out, and I think I'll get another 4 or 5 kills. Yeah, we take out a good few of them there.
Remember guys, give people a chance to put their hands up before you spray them. Woo! Dead.
Back in the action with Davies, covering the back now. We've still got Matty covering the front as well. We do manage to hold this for quite some time actually. I think we're in there for a good 25 minutes, half hour. Before they end up taking control of the firebase. Good thing about these buildings is they can't actually see in. Well, not very clearly. We have got good view of them though, the enemy. So Matty in the top right there, he's just covering that door again. I think Chris has gone round to the back at this point. So Matty's covering the front, Dave's covering the left, Chris and myself and Ollie have got the right hand side. But yeah, so this is now Matt's cam. So we do manage to hold it off for quite some time. They're about to call it end game very shortly. But other than that, it was yeah, really good match to play, really good game. Highly recommend it. But yeah, well, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that, and we shall see you soon.